In the rapidly evolving landscape of education, parents are increasingly looking for ways to provide their children with a well-rounded education in the comfort of their own homes. Designing an effective at-home child education plan requires careful consideration of various factors that contribute to a child's holistic growth. This video aims to guide parents in creating a comprehensive and balanced education plan for their children right within the walls of their home. Establishing a learning environment. Creating a conducive learning environment is essential for effective at-home education. Dedicate a quiet and organized space for studying, equipped with essential materials such as books, stationery, and a computer if needed. This designated space helps children associate a specific area with learning, enhancing focus and productivity. Customized learning paths. Recognize that each child is unique with their own learning style, pace, and interests. Tailor the curriculum to match their needs. Utilize various educational resources, online platforms, and educational apps that cater to individualized learning journeys. Structured daily routine. Consistency is key in a child's learning process. Establish a daily routine that includes designated study hours, breaks, and time for physical activities. A structured routine helps children develop time management skills and a sense of responsibility. Balanced curriculum. Design a curriculum that covers core subjects such as mathematics, language, arts, science, and social studies. Incorporate a variety of learning materials, including textbooks, interactive online lessons, and educational games. This approach keeps the learning experience engaging and dynamic. Holistic development. Education is not limited to textbooks. Encourage holistic development by incorporating art, music, physical education, and life skills into the curriculum. Engage children in creative projects, experiments, and real-world applications of their learning. Digital literacy and technology. In today's digital age, teaching children digital literacy is crucial. Introduce them to age-appropriate technology and online resources, teaching them how to navigate the internet safely and effectively. Cultivate critical thinking. Encourage critical thinking skills through open-ended questions, discussions, and problem-solving activities. Present real-world scenarios that require analytical thought, fostering curiosity and cognitive development. Encourage self-directed learning. Empower children to take charge of their education by allowing them to choose topics of interest for research and exploration. This cultivates a sense of curiosity and independence. Parental involvement and support. Parents play a vital role in an at-home education plan. Engage in regular discussions about your child's progress, challenges, and achievements. Provide guidance, encouragement, and assistance when needed. Extracurricular exploration. While learning at home, children can still participate in extracurricular activities. Encourage them to pursue hobbies, sports, or creative endeavors that align with their interests. These activities enhance social skills, teamwork, and personal growth. Continuous assessment. Regularly assess your child's progress through quizzes, projects, and assignments. Adjust the curriculum as needed based on their strengths and areas for improvement. Fostering a love for learning. Above all, the goal of an at-home child education plan is to nurture a lifelong love for learning. Create an environment where curiosity is celebrated, mistakes are seen as opportunities to learn, and the joy of discovery is encouraged. A successful at-home child education plan is centered around flexibility, individualization, and a holistic approach to learning. By providing a balanced curriculum, a nurturing environment, and opportunities for exploration, parents can cultivate their children's intellectual, emotional, and social growth within the comfort of their own homes. Remember, the journey of education is a partnership between parents and children, and the process itself is as valuable as the outcomes achieved.